All right, let's run down to the Humble. We'll be underneath the bridge today fishing with live shrimp.
Okay.
We're in the Upper Lagoon in Corpus Christi, Texas. Right under here. We'll tie up over there. Let's see which way the current's going first. All right, it's a beautiful day today, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Don't get many days like this. Except in Corpus Christi. Got one? Get back there. Get back to the back. Back to the back. See what you got. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, you lost it. Man, you had a nice skipjack. Oh, wow, I got a nice one. Ah, it's skipjack. Skipjack. Ah, he got me on the line. Damn it. All right, let me put a hook on and we'll do it again. There's some fish out here. No, I missed him. Look what he did. He had it in his mouth, but he didn't swallow it. They're out there though. I think there's some big ones in there if I can get them. I can get 6. We got 2, so that's 4 more. Got him. I got this one. Where's the net? Where's my net guy? Come on. Come on, you're my net boy. Remember what I said? You get it in the water and move it a little bit so yeah, there you go. You see how it's doing that? You just, there you go, you got it. Whoa, and then you come up from behind him. Leave it. Nice trout. Okay, remember what I said, behind him. Let him come up, I'm going to push him forward. Get the net, leave the net. No, don't follow him yet. You'll chase him off. Okay, you go turn around. Come on. Come on, hurry up. Good job, buddy, good job. Oh man, look how big he is. Whoa. Look how big that one is. Whoa. All right, look at that, dude. They're back. This is what we did yesterday. We didn't start hitting them until about 9. Today we're hitting them at 10. Remember what I said about the current? Yeah. Well, the current just started moving. God, I feel that one. Look. Just look at him. You don't want to get slime on you.
No, I want to get slime.
Barely hooked.
Barely hooked. I got him.
You did. You got him. Hold on. Not until you get him
What
in.
if he eats the smaller trout?
He's ours. No, we're not going to eat them trout. Good job, buddy. Good job. We'll make a good team. All right, that's 3. We can get 3 more.
Yeah. We got 3 trout.
Oh, yeah.
It's on. Yo, guys, we got another good one.
I got one.
Yeah, look at this.
Yeehaw.
Look at the pole.
Keep it on.
On. See, oh, yeah, he's right there.
Oh, he got loose. Oh, my God.
Guys, that was so close. He got loose.
Whoa, you got one, huh? All right. Go, Daniel.
He's right there. Oh, he went in the boat. There he is.
What you got? Oh, Skipjack. Come on down here. Come down here. Come down here. Front of the boat. Go to the front of the boat. Go, 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 go. Oh, he broke off. It's all right.
Okay, I'm recording.
All right.
Guys, we got
one on. We got one on.
Okay, let me get the net.
All right, let's see what we got. Whoa, he's a big one. He's a good one.
Look at that pole.
Okay.
There he is.
Here, I'll get that.
Oh my. Oh my God.
He's a real big one.
He's ginormous. Okay, look at him. Look at that fish. Ooh, look at that. Let me try. Here, you record. Yes, we got him. Look at that fish. Look at him. Look at that guy.
Look at that. We barely got him. Got me on there? There you go. Look at that.
Look at that.
Nice fish. That's a big one. Look, we barely had him hooked. Look, right there.
Barely had him hooked.
Right there.
Look at that.
All right. Put it down. Turn the box on.
We'll be right back whenever we get another fish. Recording.
I got him.
Look at that pole.
All right, I just hooked him. Come on, film me. All right, back up a little bit. That way you can get me. All right. Number 6.
Last one.
Well, if we can get him, we haven't got him yet. He's way out there. Come on, watch for fishing, not you. He's coming up. He's coming up.
Yeah. Look, there's the thing.
Okay.
There he is, right there.
All right, give me the camera.
Camera.
Good job. Good job. Put him in there.
Try.
Nice fish. All right. Okay, let's get him out of there.
Look
Yeah.
at that. Look at him. You know,
Not bad.
open the thing now. Let's show him how many we got.
Well, we got our limit. Let's
3,
see what's
2,
in the
1.
box.
Bam! We got 4,
Look at all
6.
those fish.
Look at all those.
That's our live box.
Yep.
All right, we got our limit. Let's go home and clean fish, and we'll clean the boat. And we had a good fishing trip today. All right.
Yeah, guys.